Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be a thought process on a trade, of basically me trading live, whether I take trade or not. I'm just going to explain what I'm seeing in the chart and what is happening, and my vision to what is going to happen and how I'm going to anticipate in that movement. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up the like button and do smash that subscribe button, please. Let's reach 170 legends in this channel by the end of May. So let's start. The reason that I said May, because we already achieved the goal for April and we reached 160 legends in this channel. So without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So the trend is currently bullish on both on the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, but there is no liquidity sweeps to the downside to gives us the opportunity to enter in longs. All right, so we have this daily fair value gap. We didn't reject from it, and we're not seeing any movement with this fair value gap. The daily time frame is in bullish order flow. Then if we scale down to the 4-hour, we have, hold on, let me show you the highs and lows. So we have these hourly highs, these hourly highs, these hourly highs, and on the 4-hour we have this approximate breaker block right here. And it's still far goal, but who cares? As you can see on the 4-hour, there is no good movement in the market, just uptrend without any retracement. We have these highs, they have these lows, we have these lows, and if we scale down to the 1-hour, we can see it better. So couple minutes before this, I saw a bearish S&T on both pairs, on GBP JPY and USD JPY, but now it looks like we are invalidating that shit. And we currently took out the Asian session highs and the London session highs. Let me scale down to see it properly. So we took out the Asian and the London session highs. What I want to see is a retracement, break below the low, and then continuation to the downside. But it looks like I'm not doing that, and I'm not taking any trades today because there's no reaction off of the Asian session highs and the London session highs. It should have been just a liquidity sweep and then retracement. And as you can see, there's no gaps in here to retrace off of. There's no order blocks, there is no nothing. But we can figure that shit out because price might reverse. And the reason I'm not a fan of taking any trades today, because as you can see, we are bullish on the daily, we are bullish on the 4-hour, and we are bullish on the 1-hour. And as you can see on the 15-minute, we didn't see any rejection off of that sweep of liquidity. What I want to see is, after taking out these highs, retracement back, breaking below these lows, making a bearish order flow, and invalidating this order block, turned it to a breaker block, and then having some sort of lower time frame continuation confluences like a fair value gap, equilibrium, some sort of that to get the retracement, and then in 1 minute breakout structure, and off of that, boom, we can target these lows and probably these Asian session lows. This is my vision, and do I think it's going to happen? No, because the market now is in bullish order flow, and most of the time taking a trade off of a bullish order flow and taking a short based on the bullish order flow, and seeing it as a liquidity sweep, then a rejection, it's not a very accurate way to take a trade, because it might flip on you. But we can target a little we can set our target to a little movement, like not like a whole day movement or a 2 sessions movement. So that's it about GBP GPY. There is nothing I can see right now. Let's move on to USD GPY now we have, let me see the daily. Yeah, those two pairs move the same, to be honest. We have these daily highs got taken, we have these daily highs got taken, we still have these daily lows and these daily lows. And let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is also bullish. We still have these 4 hour highs, and we just took out the Asian session highs, and as you can see we still have these 4 hour lows and these 4 hour lows. Let's get down to the 1 hour. We just took out the Asian session highs, we already took out the London session highs, and on the hourly it's a bullish order flow. As you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then probably higher low. But the higher low we can't take a short off of it, because as you can see, as you know me, I take trades with a minimal 1 to 2 risk to reward. So the amount of pips that I'm going to target is a very lot compared to the retracement in the bullish order flow. So I'm not taking any shorts today. I'm not interested in any shorts, even if there is a liquidity sweep, then a break to the downside, because the daily itself is bullish. Why would I fucking take a short, a day trade short? That means my trades are from around 4 hours to 5 hours trade. Why would I take a 5 hours trade with a confirmation on the lower time frame and it's against the higher time frame movement? That doesn't make any sense. So that's why I'm currently just watching the chart. Currently USD GPY is making some sort of reaction off of those highs after taking out the Asian session highs and the London session highs. I mean, there's no structure in here to see. We have this we can target those lows, I mean, because those relative equal lows are very strong to be taken. If we take out the buy side liquidity, then the next level will be those sell side liquidity. And I mean, you can take a trade on the lower time frame, but I'm not a fan of taking a trade against the trend or against the price order flow, because that is against my rules and against my trading plan, and I don't see myself ever doing that mistake again. And actually I did write about this in my trading book that I told you about it. It's a trading guide that are going to help you in your trading journey. If you're a beginner or expert or intermediate trader, whatever that shit, you can find my strategy in it. You can find the confluences if you don't have any fucking idea and any fucking clue what the fuck I'm talking about. The SMTs, the liquidity sweep, all of this shit is in this book. If you want to have access to that, link will be down below in the description. And if you don't want to learn from me, you can chat with ChatGPT. You can learn strategy from it, or you can learn from anyone else. I'm not here to teach anybody. I'm here to share my journey and share my vision with you. Even if you like it or you don't like it, that's up to you. I don't convince anyone to buy anything, or I don't convince anyone to go to any links. Or if you want to have that, you can have that. If you don't want to have that, that is up to you. So that's it about today's trading live. I'm still looking at the charts though. I'm not letting off the charts, but I'm going to end the video now because this version of the video is a little bit shorter than the main video, which is the market recap or the trade recap. So without further ado, I'll see you guys after the trading session, whether I took a trade or not. So be patient and look for trade properly. Goodbye.